Okay, so here's my planet. Almost done. We're almost done. So what I did is I took this cardboard and I like stuck it in here and added some stars on the sides. You can see that. And I also taped the bottom. Guess I'm gonna have to paint that. All right, so let's put this back down. Check my level real quick. That's pretty darn good. It's right in the middle. So that's good. I'm happy about that. So, as you can see, I added tiny little moon right there. My version of a moon. I put my planet down, added some little swirls, dotted some more stars because I started getting tired. I'm still waiting for my last video to upload. So that's that. So I'm going to add some of this, and I mean some. And this, you guys are probably wondering, dang, she didn't wait a day. No, I didn't. This is, it's dry, but not completely cured. So you can touch it, you can obviously draw on it, but it's not 100% cured. And I actually accidentally rubbed off a little bit of it, checking it, but it's okay. This resin right here that I've already mixed up will fix that. So the last glitter that I put on here with the green sparkles, and they kind of fell down to the bottom, and some of them are floating in here as well. I think I added too much. So this one I'm just going to add, can you see that? Just a few flakes to this cup of resin. That is all I want and nothing else. Just a little something. Stir that in there. Hopefully that's enough, but too bad if it isn't. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. And I have my brush here because I'm going to actually brush the resin on the sides and down the side of the canvas as well, the front and the sides. I'm tired, you guys. All right, so enough talking, let's get pouring. And you notice that I just poured it in a 4-inch cup, I believe. I didn't use that much this time, so I don't need that much. Not for this run. So I'm going to actually let this level itself out. On its own. I want to just hit these corners real quick, because I don't want to do this when the resin is, you know, trying to work itself level. So this is what I'm doing. Now I wish I had my Lazy Susan. But I didn't want it to get messy. But it sure would help, because I could have just spun this around. It's already spreading. And that's not level, because it's spread down that way. So I am just going to put this here so that it can spread down this way. All right, the sides are nice. I like how they look. And I'm hoping that this resin doesn't like fall back down, but I'll babysit it until my resin cures. Okay, that done. And I'll check these sides, and I can tell that this isn't enough. So we'll just pour some more in here because I don't need that much. And that was just enough silver. So that is so nice. Okay. Put this back down. The way that I had it. Okay. It's nice being able to work with the shadow box because you can just pick it up. You don't have to worry about it being, you know, all this spilling over and all that. That's the bonus. And I'm not going to be very neat about this. I'm just painting it on and hope that I get some sparkles in here as well. I don't mind if it drips because I want to do this too. And obviously this is garbage. I won't be able to reuse the sponge. I don't think I would want to. So I'm just going to continue doing this. And as far as I'm concerned, this painting is done. So this, folks, part 3. And the final, before I even paint any more so that I can actually touch this, this is what it looks like. Do you see all that? It's millions of little twinkling stars. Turn it this way so you can get a look at that. And my version of space. The galaxy. I've never been there, but yeah. It's beautiful. I like it. I like how the green sparkles are in there, the level that's going on, the layers, and the dimension that's in it. It's really nice. So I'm going to end this here. Twist this around one more time. Yeah, that's really pretty. Really like it. I'm going to finish painting this and say bye-bye. Let me get you down because it wouldn't be fair if I didn't, right? It's really pretty. I really like it a lot. I like the focus, the details. and the layers, the dimension. I think my phone is tired too. It is. So there you go, you guys. My version of a layered poured resin galaxy, creating dimension and depth. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace.